Hey there, you curious cannabis consumers. Scotty here. I've got a new experiment today. This one is where we're going to run some high voltage arcs through a few different household chemicals to see if we can get that arc to change colors. So, without further ado, let's get high voltage. So, the chemicals that we're going to try running this through to try and get a color change are, we've got some potassium nitrate, some sodium tetraborate or borax, some table salt or sodium chloride. I've got some low sodium salt, which is potassium chloride and sodium chloride mixed. I tried to isolate the potassium chloride, and I'm not sure how well it worked, but I did get a little bit right here. You can't see it very well. There's a tiny bit in this little cup. So we'll see how these go, and hopefully we'll get some different colors on the arcs. So let's see, I'll start with this one, the light salt. So this is table salt, which is sodium chloride and potassium chloride. So, doing it. Whoop. Spilling all over the place now. Maybe I shouldn't have filled it up so high. But, okay. Now I will do the table salt, sodium chloride. Okay, so now the sodium tetraborate, borax. Now, we've got some potassium nitrate. So I've got these guys here. I made these little cups out of aluminum foil so that it should be able to conduct right through them. And I'm using my high voltage power supply, the neon sign transformer. So it's about 10,000 volts AC, 10 kilovolts. So I've just got one of my clips hooked up here to this aluminum plate that it's all sitting on. And then I've got the other lead here that I'll be using to direct the arcs with. So let's turn it on. Okay. So the fun thing with this is that it's got a pull chain switch on the power supply. So I never really know what state it's in when I'm turning it on. I just have to kind of guess. Let's see. Doesn't look like I'm getting anything there. No. That's a little better. No. Yeah, okay. So there we've got a little arc. I think that's our lower voltage though, so let's try our higher voltage. That sounds about right. There we go. Okay, so now we'll try first let's just try the table salt first. So, let's see here, we've got purple. Now let's go into the green. I feel like I'm gonna have to make piles instead, because it's kind of just arcing out to the edge of it there. What about this, here, let's see. Okay, so I think I'm going to take a little break, take these out of their little cups, and put them into some small piles so that I won't have the tinfoil that's sticking up higher that is just arcing too. All right, that's what I'll do next. Okay, so now I've got them into little piles so it shouldn't arc to the edges of the metal cups that I had been using. And also, I realized that I should probably be wearing safety glasses for this. So, I guess we are ready to try it again. Let's see. So, I'll go first. Okay, let's try. Ooh, that's orange. Okay. So that was the potassium chloride. That was really orange on this thing there. Okay, well, I think I tripped this thing, so I need to try unplugging it and plugging it back in. Okay, so just a moment ago, I tripped it. I think it just ran a little too much current. So let's give it another shot. See if we can get some. We got some orange flames through the potassium chloride. So now I'll try the sodium chloride and potassium chloride and see what we get there. Pretty. We got some purple and orange there. Let's try the just table salt. We tripped it again. I can smell that ozone. Okay, so here's the table salt. Okay, so that's pretty much orange there. And we lost it again. I'm having trouble with this power supply for this experiment. Okay, so it's becoming evident that this power supply that I've been using from a neon sign transformer is not going to work. It keeps tripping some kind of breaker that it's got in there. I know it's got a GFCI on the secondary. I don't know if it's tripping that or some overcurrent protection, but it's not going to work very well for this project. I'm going to have to keep resetting it. So instead, I'm going to try using my high voltage DC power supply. So that's what I'm going to change out. Now, let's see what we get with the potassium chloride. Oh, yeah, that's definitely orange. Oh, that's even cooler. You know what? So, I just realized that this isn't going to quite work in the way that I have it. And I will grab the camera and show you why. Okay, so here's my setup. I'm going to turn this on, got my stick, and now you'll see when I'm getting close, it starts to starts to blow blow it around. So that is from ionic wind coming off of this pointy thing that I'm using. So I think I might need to use something a little more blunt at the very least. So I'm going to so what I'm going to try and do is make a like foil ball at the end of this to use instead of that pointy screw. So I'm going to try and make the connection a little more blunt edged here, because having that pointy screw at one pole of high voltage DC and this flat plate at the other was creating a bunch of ionic wind from the point to the flat, and it's a pretty cool phenomena that I will go over another day. But dang it, now I've still got that thing sticking out. Let's see if this helped at all. Okay, this is not going to work like this.
Many moments later.
Okay, I concede that this experiment did not go how I had planned for it to. I had problems with my AC high voltage supply, I had problems with my DC high voltage supply. The chemicals that I chose for this project did not perform how I had expected them to. But in the end, I had fun. I hope that you did too. I'd appreciate it if you'd like and subscribe, and I hope that you'd like to get high voltage.